Are you ready to conquer the complexities of German grammar once and for all? Whether you're a beginner navigating the maze of cases and conjugations, or an intermediate learner striving for fluency, mastering German grammar is within your reach. In this comprehensive video, I'll guide you through 7 indispensable strategies guaranteed to elevate your language skills to new heights. By implementing these strategies, you'll develop a profound understanding of German grammar principles, overcome common obstacles encountered in language acquisition, cultivate the confidence and competence necessary for effective communication in German. Point 1. Lay a solid foundation. Begin your journey to German grammar mastery by solidifying your understanding of the fundamentals. Focus on mastering articles, noun gender, verb conjugations, and sentence structure. A robust grasp of these basics will serve as the cornerstone upon which you'll build your language proficiency. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Establishing a strong foundation is essential for sustained progress in your German language journey. Point 2. Dive deep into grammar rules. Delve into the intricacies of German grammar by studying its rules and patterns meticulously. Dedicate time to comprehend the nuances of cases, verb tenses, word order, and more. Understanding these fundamental principles will empower you to navigate the complexities of the German language with confidence and precision. Unlock the secrets of German grammar by immersing yourself in its rules and intricacies. The deeper you dive, the clearer your path to fluency will become. Point 3. Embrace contextual learning. Immerse yourself in authentic German contexts to reinforce your understanding of grammar rules. Engage with German media such as movies, TV shows, podcasts, and literature to observe grammar usage in real-life situations. Contextual learning not only enhances your comprehension, but also fosters an intuitive grasp of the language's intricacies. Transform passive consumption into active learning by immersing yourself in German culture. Every interaction with authentic German content brings you one step closer to fluency. Point 4. Practice with purpose. Consistent and purposeful practice is the key to mastering German grammar. Incorporate a variety of practice exercises into your daily routine, including speaking, writing, listening, and reading activities. Whether it's through language apps, conversation groups, or language exchanges, seize every opportunity to hone your grammar skills. Make deliberate practice a non-negotiable part of your language learning journey. With each practice session, you're inching closer to proficiency and fluency in German. Point 5. Engage with feedback. Embrace feedback as a valuable tool for improvement in your language journey. Seek opportunities to converse with native speakers or language partners and welcome their corrections and suggestions. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow, so don't shy away from constructive criticism. View feedback not as a setback, but as a stepping stone towards excellence. Embrace the journey of continuous improvement in your pursuit of German language mastery. Point 6. Utilize resources wisely. Harness the power of diverse learning resources to support your language learning efforts. From textbooks and online courses to language exchange platforms and tutoring sessions, explore a range of resources tailored to your learning style and goals. Variety keeps your learning experience engaging and dynamic. Empower yourself with an arsenal of resources designed to accelerate your language learning journey. With the right tools at your disposal, there's no limit to what you can achieve in mastering German grammar. Point 7. Patience and persistence. Finally, remember that language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself as you navigate the twists and turns of your language journey. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and persevere through challenges with unwavering determination. Stay committed to your language learning goals and trust in your ability to overcome obstacles along the way. With patience and persistence, you'll emerge victorious in your quest to master German grammar. Mastering German grammar is a rewarding and achievable goal with the right strategies and mindset. By incorporating these 7 essential strategies, laying a solid foundation, delving deep into grammar rules, embracing contextual learning, practicing with purpose, engaging with feedback, utilizing resources wisely, and maintaining patience and persistence, you'll pave the way for your success in the German language. And if you want to learn German words, check this playlist right here.